Genesis 1, 9-10. V the third day. 9 koe cover, turn, bind, gather, expect. Yavashe yabasha, the dry, the ground. Yavash yabish, be dry, bush posh, be abashed. 10 deshe deshe, green thing, grass. Asav eshab, herb. Zera zera, seed. Zarazaura, sow, zero. Pre-peri, fruit, paraparach, bear. Pharaoh, Pharaoh. The work of creation on this day is evidently twofold: the distribution of land and water, and the creation of plants. The former part of it is completed, named, reviewed, and approved before the latter is commenced. All that has been done before this, indeed, is preparatory to the introduction of the vegetable kingdom. This may be regarded as the first stage of the present creative process. Let the water be gathered to one place. Let the ground appear. This refers to the yet overflowing deep of waters. Genesis 1:2, under the expanse. They must be confined within certain limits. For this purpose, the order is issued that they be gathered into one place, that is, evidently, into a place apart from that designed for the land. Then called God to the ground land. We use the word ground to denote the dry surface left after the retreat of the waters. To this the Creator applies the term eretz, eretz, land, earth. Hence, we find that the primitive meaning of this term was land, the dry, solid surface of matter on which we stand. This meaning it still retains in all its various applications, as it was soon learned by experience that the solid ground was continuous at the bottom of the water masses, and that these were mere superficial deposit gathering into the hollows. The term was, by an easy extension of its meaning, applied to the whole surface, as it was diversified by land and water. Our word earth is the term to express it in this more extended sense. In this sense, it was the meet counterpart of the heavens in that complex phrase by which the universe of things is expressed. And to the gathering of the waters called he seas, in contradistinction to the land, the gathered waters are called seas, a term applied in Scripture to any large collection of water, even though seen to be surrounded by land, as the salt sea, the sea of Kinnereth, the sea of the plain or valley, the foresea, the Hindus Sea. Genesis 14:3. Numbers 34:11. Deuteronomy 4. The plural form seas shows that the one place consists of several basins, all of which taken together are called the place of the waters. The Scripture, according to its manner, notices only the palpable result, namely, a diversified scene of land and seas. The sacred singer possibly hints at the process in Psalms 104:6. The deep as a garment thou didst spread over it. Above the mountains stood the waters, at thy rebuke they fled. At the voice of thy thunder they hasted away. They go up the mountains, they go down the valleys, unto the place that thou hast founded for them. This description is highly poetical, and therefore true to nature. The hills are to rise out of the waters above them. The agitated waters dash up the stirring mountains, but as these ascend, at length sink into the valleys, and take the place allotted for them. Plainly, the result was accomplished by lowering some and elevating other parts of the solid ground. Over this inequality of surface, the waters which before overspread the whole ground flowed into the hollows, and the elevated regions became dry land. This is a kind of geological change which has been long known to the students of nature. Such changes have often been sudden and violent alterations of level, of a gradual character, are known to be going on at all times. This disposition of land and water prepares for the second step, which is the main work of this day, namely, the creation of plants. We are now come to the removal of another defect in the state of the earth, mentioned in the second verse, its deformity, or rude and uncouth appearance.